In this video we would like to tell you how to remove Shield My Searches from your Mac. Shield My Searches is the malicious website that redirects victims to the modified search engine. The root of these redirections is a hijacker installed on your device. It's easy to identify that you are infected with Shield My Searches hijacker. Check your preferable search engine in the settings of your browser. In the most cases, this hijacker infects devices by the means of bundles or fake installers. As the rule, such files are promoted as free software or cracked ones. When Shield My Searches hijacker is installed, it changes the settings of the browser and prevents alteration of them. That's why it's nearly impossible to restore them. But we have a solution. There are two way outs. If you want to remove Shield My Searches hijacker safe and fast, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner is a very effective anti-malware program. It can easily remove the source of Shield My Searches redirections automatically. Link in the description. If you want to remove Shield My Searches hijacker by yourself, follow our guide. Remember that we don't bear any responsibility for your actions. If you do something wrong, you can damage your operating system or data. Press the Go button in the upper left side of the screen. Click the Applications button. Be attentive and look for suspicious programs. If you have found any, delete them all. Now press the Go button and then go to the folder. In the search bar type Library Launch Agents. Remove all suspicious files in this folder. Then choose the Go to the folder option, again type Library Application Support. Remove all suspicious files and folders. Do the same with Library Launch Demons folder. Now you have to clean your browser. If you use Safari, launch your browser and press Safari button in the upper left side. Here click on Preferences button and choose Extensions. Now look for any suspicious plugin and click Uninstall button to remove it. Close the menu and press Safari button again. Push Reset Safari button. Check all sections and then press Reset button. If you use Chrome, open your browser. Click on the Menu button in the upper right side of the browser. Here choose More Tools menu and then press Extensions button. Now look for any suspicious plugin and then press Remove button. In order to delete it, close the menu and click the three dots button, choose Settings menu. Here look for Manage Search Engines button and press Manage Search Engines. Here you should look for any suspicious search engine and delete it. Close the menu and press three dots button again. Here press Settings button and scroll down to the bottom. Now press Reset Browser Settings button, then click Reset button again to confirm this process. If you doubt you are doing it right, you'd better use Combo Cleaner. Help us to make internet safer, rate this video and follow our channel. Stay tuned, stay safe.